You have a sales process. Congratulations. So do 89% of the companies we surveyed. That's the good news. The bad news, the part nobody puts in the QBR, only 36% said their reps actually follow it. You documented it, you trained on it, you put it in a PDF. The PDF is in a folder. The folder is somewhere in Dropbox. Nobody has opened it since February.
Process is not well defined. It's not mapped. And because it's not mapped, it's not enforced.
The teams with real adherence, they had two things in common. The process lived inside the daily workflow, not in a doc or a training deck, and managers actually checked, not quarterly and not whenever I remember, consistently. The playbook exists, the environment to run it doesn't. That is a behavior problem, not a process problem.